Hey guys, today we're going to talk about three-dimensional figures and their cross-sections. And a cross-section can be defined as the two-dimensional shape that appears when a three-dimensional object is cut through. Okay, so we're going to be looking at taking a three-dimensional figure and cutting it straight through, seeing what two-dimensional shape appears. And so as we're going through these, those of you who are watching this for homework purposes, especially those of you from my class, you need to copy down all of the cross sections that will come up. So, and we're mainly going to focus on the cube and the cylinder today. Okay? So if we were to take a cube and cut it straight through vertically or straight through horizontally, okay, and we were to separate it out and look at what we have, we end up with a square. So that's one of the cross sections. If we were to take a cube and cut it from corner to corner, okay, so corner to corner, we open it up, we look at what we have. We have rectangles. If we were to take a cube and only cut off just a small portion of one of the edges, okay, cut off a small portion of one of the edges, okay, we'd end up with a triangle. Now there's a few other different kinds of cuts that we're going to look at. This one involves catching four sides of the cube, but in this case we end up with uneven sides and we end up with a trapezoid. If we take a different cut on our cube here, and we open it up, we have a five-sided figure, okay, a pentagon, okay. We have this edge here, 1, 2, that little edge over there, keep turning, sorry, it's 3, that little edge, 4, and then 5. There are 5 sides there. Alright, and one more with the cube. If we approach this from a different angle, okay, encompassing 6 different sides. Okay, I'm going to turn this upside down so you can see that. Now we have a hexagon. This little edge here, that edge there, that edge in the corner, that edge that the figure is lying on, that's 4. This one here is 5, and then this edge here is 6. Okay, so that's it for a cube. Let's look at a cylinder. Okay, here's our cylinder. You can see that if we cut it, okay, straight through, we end up with rectangles. And then if we take our cylinder and cut it at an angle, so here's our cylinder, and we cut it at an angle, you can see that we end up with ovals. Okay, this model's a little older and I apologize for the condition, but this makes an oval. So if we cut the cylinder at an angle to encompass more of the object, we'll end up with a cylinder. Alright, that's it for our cross sections. we will see you guys in class.
Us.